How to fix connection error in GCash. The first thing you want to do is force stop and clear cache of the GCash app. For that, launch open your settings, then scroll down and tap on apps. Now a list of all the applications installed on your device will be shown here. Scroll down and find GCash, then tap on that. Now you want to tap on the storage option. Here tap on clear cache. Once that is done, head back. Now tap on force stop, tap on OK. Once that is done, launch open the GCash app and check if your problem has been fixed. If not, then the next thing you want to do is switch connection type. For that, you want to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and check. You also want to make sure that VPN is disabled. So if you have enabled VPN, simply disable that. Now check if your problem is fixed. If that doesn't work, you want to reinstall the app. For that, tap and hold on GCash, tap on the uninstall option, then tap on OK. Once it has been uninstalled, launch open Play Store. Now tap on the search icon. Here search for GCash. Now go ahead and tap on the install option and reinstall this app. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.